First, you draw the snow.
Snow.
And more bumps. And keep putting bumps. Now, you draw Santa's boots. And go up and connect. Now, you could draw the part of Santa's stomach. We'll keep going to there. And then you connect it. And then you make Santa's other boots. So if Santa have one leg, how he gonna walk?
His leg's gonna be extra spaced out. I'll bring it this way.
And now up. And now you could draw the part of his belt. Don't connect. Okay, now we're gonna add the arm part. Don't connect. Now we're gonna add a square.
Look at the rest of
Now you're gonna draw the other square in the middle. So don't make it too small because you're gonna color this yellow.
Oh, okay.
Now you're gonna connect these. Now we're looking good. So we're gonna connect this if you have a little space here. Now we're gonna draw Santa's beard. So do this. Now you can do the other part of the spear. Don't connect. Now you can draw his head. And now you're gonna draw here. You can connect. Now draw his little eyes. So one circle. In the other circle. Now we're gonna add little pupils. Okay, now we're gonna draw the other part of his beard. And we're gonna add his mouth. Okay. Now we're going to add the part of his hat. And now draw the other part connecting. Now we're going to add the little fluffy part. And now we're going to add the puffy ball. Next, do we can add his arms? First, you add this. You want him doing this or this?
Down, because there's not a lot of space right here.
Okay. But we have to do this.
Okay, we have, yeah, because he's already up.
Now do this. And now. Draws other arm.
He has some super skinny arms.
And now the draw is jump. Now his other part of his hand. Okay. Now we're gonna add his other arm. Don't make it too long. Now connect. Now go back to this arm at the fluffy part at the sleeve. Now I can draw his job and other part of his hand. Wait.
That's gonna look funny.
If you have 6 fingers, that's okay.
Wait, did I put 6? 3? Oh my goodness, I thought I put 5.
Okay. Do you want to add a sack?
No.
Wait, why?
Okay, let's do a second.
Okay.
I'm trying to fix this first.
Okay. Now you add a little party. Try not to drown the table. You could go all the way down here.
For the sack?
Okay, now you add the other part.
I did that part.
Now you add this. Okay, it's a lot of toys in there, so add little rumbles. Okay, now we can add the little part that's tied up. Little rectangle. Okay, you add 2 big, so add a little ribbon here.
A ribbon?
Uh-huh.
Show me how to do that.
You do this. Okay, you can color the ribbon in red.
Where?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this way?
Uh-huh. Now you can add this.
I did that part.
Okay. Now you can add the part that's tied up. Now you do the side.
Yay!
Now